the person you still can't forgive, that person is still controlling you. Yes, dear. No matter whatever you are saying कि मुझे नहीं सोचना है उसके बारे में, मुझे नहीं बात करनी है, I want to forget about everything about that person. Actually, it doesn't matter because just check whenever you are thinking about that person, whenever the thought is coming in your mind, you are getting upset. Your heart is feeling with sorrow, with anger, sometimes with irritation, and sometimes too many hatred in your heart. So, this is the fact. Still, that person is in your heart and it is burning your heart. It is burning your entire life. Yes, I am Arpita Bhattacharya, emotional freedom coach. Today, in this video, I am going to help you to forgive that 1%. Yes, dear, believe me, until and unless you are able to forgive that 1%, you are carrying that heavy weight in your heart, in your life. Yes, forgiveness. I know you may think, कि Arpita, it is not so easy for me to forgive that person. I know that कि उस व्यक्ति ने दैट पर्सन आपको जिंदगी में बहुत सारा टॉर्चर किए हैं, आपको बहुत सारे इमोशनल पेन दिए हैं. आई नो दैट इट इज अ फैक्ट. आप भी मुझे कहेंगे कि अर्पिता इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर मी टू डू सो टू फॉरगिव दैट पर्सन. बट डियर, until and unless you are forgetting, you are holding that burning coal in your hand, in your palm, and the burning coal is your palm is getting burned for this coal you are holding. So the intelligence is throw that coal. Yes, then you will get relief, you will get that freedom. यहाँ हो क्या रहा है? Actually, whenever you are thinking about that person or that relationship, your heart is getting filled with too many past memories, too many heavy emotions. Those are holding you back. Do you know it is triggering the stress hormones in your body? Stress hormones like cortisol and all the stress hormones we have inside our body. These thoughts are triggering those hormones to get released. And whenever your body is getting the signal कि stress hormone release हो रहा है, every organs of your body is getting impacted in a negative way for this only one thought of that 1%. Your heart is getting tortured for that. Your nervous system is getting tortured for that 1%. So the easiest way, आप कह सकते हो कि अर्पिता ओ यस आई नो कि मेरा हेल्थ में बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं जब भी मैं उस उसको लेके सोच रहा हूँ या सोच रही हूँ. बहुत सारा मेरा हेल्थ इश्यूज अभी तक बन चुके हैं. मे बी आप एंटी डिप्रेसिव टैबलेट्स भी ले रहे हो, मे बी एंजाइटी का मेडिसिन आप ले रहे हो, आपको नींद नहीं आती है रात को. आप मुझे बोल सकते हो कि अर्पिता मैं ठीक है, आई वांट टू better my life, for my betterment, I want to forgive that person. But is it so easy? I will say to you, yes, it is so easy. Do you know? आप खुद को इतना प्यार करो कि किसी दूसरे के लिए हेट्रेड भी उसके सामने भारी पड़ जाए. Love yourself that much. Love yourself that much. Like you don't hate anybody that much. Yes, that is a so simple way to forgive. For sake of you, just forgive that person. Do you know? At the energy level, we all are one. And actually, it is true if you believe it or not. If you had manifested that person in your life, it was your energy. Your energy was mirroring that person in front of you. Your with your energy you have manifested that particular person, and you manifested all those situations in your life with your energy, with your internal energy and frequency. Yes, dear. Believe it or not, it is the true fact. The laws of resonance, one of the most important universal law. आप आईने के सामने खड़े हो, जो भी आप दिखा रहे हो वही आप दिख रहे हो. यू आर जस्ट सीइंग योर ओन सेल्फ इन द मिरर. सो दैट पर्सन जिसको आप अभी तक फॉरगिव नहीं कर पाए हो, दैट पर्सन वाज द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ योर इंटरनल एनर्जी. हियर इज द कंफ्यूजन. आप सोच सकते हो कि अर्पिता, इसका मतलब क्या मैं ऐसी हूँ, मैं ऐसा हूँ कि मैं इस टाइप के पर्सन को अपने लाइफ में मैनिफेस्ट किया? नो, you are not that kind of person. But the fact is that whenever all the situations happened in your life, the ultimate emotional impact was pain, hatred, sorrow, heart. You were carrying those emotions from earlier in your subconscious mind. इसके बारे में आपको पता भी नहीं है. As you were vibrating in the frequency of getting hurt, feeling lack of love, sorrow, anger, irritation, those emotions you radiated into the universe. Those were your frequency you radiated in the universe, and as per laws of attraction, you received all the situations in your life through that person जो आपके जिंदगी में सॉरो, पेन, हेट्रेड, एंगर, इरिटेशन को और भी बढ़ाने में मदद किया. That person, all the incidents were just protecting your inner energy that time, your inner frequency, the pattern of your frequency. Those, that person and the situations were just protecting your, the frequency that time you were holding inside your subconscious mind. And still now, every emotions, those frequency, those patterns of anger, irritation, hatred, heart, restlessness, feeling sorrow, feeling lack of love still inside you. So dear, the only solution is forgive that person and forgive yourself. That is the way you will get the freedom. The freedom from what? From all the negative emotions जो आप कैरी कर रहे हो, जो एक्चुअली एज रियलिटी आपके जिंदगी में रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहे हैं. सो हाउ टू डू इट? It is so simple. Take 100% responsibility and do hope nope no to clean all those emotions, to forgive that person. How to do it? चलो एक बार मेरे साथ कर सकते हो ना अभी अभी right now and feel that extreme power inside you. चलो, let's begin. Everyone, take a deep breath in. Relax. Relax your energy. Take your right hand, keep it on your heart, close your eyes, and say with me. Yes, the condition is you have to say it with me out loud. आपके होठ हिलना चाहिए. Say it out loud. I take 100% responsibility to attract those situations in my relationships, in my life. From now, I take 100% responsibility to heal my life. I'm so sorry. Think about that person who hurt you the most in your life. Take the name out loud. Yes, say the name of the person loudly and say, by taking the name, I am so sorry for blaming on you alone, for not taking 100% responsibility to heal my life. Please forgive me for not taking enough responsibility for this situation, because now I know the situation was the reflection of my inner frequency. Please forgive me for blaming you, for complaining about you a lot. Thank you so much. For the first time, I want to give you thank you for helping me to understand my blocked negative emotions, those I am carrying. for so long years inside my subconscious unknowingly. Thank you so much for giving me the signal that I need to heal all those negative emotions. Those are creating the situations in between you and me. I love you. For the first time, I want to say I love you because you helped me to grow a lot. You helped me to grow, to learn spiritually. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Take a deep breath in, relax, open your eyes, and just check how powerful you are feeling internally because you are no more depending on others for your own happiness. You are no more depending on others for your peace because you know you are the in charge of your own happiness. You are that powerhouse. You are that lighthouse. So feel the freedom inside you. Feel the power of freedom inside you. Maybe it is the first time you are saying sorry. You are saying I love you to that one person जिसको आप अभी तक माफ नहीं कर पाए थे. So just do that and see how much energy, positive energy, you have filled inside your heart. And along with that, don't forget to forgive yourself for holding on too much negative emotions inside you. Forgive yourself and say to yourself, your own self, by taking your own name, I'm sorry. Please forgive me for torturing you with all the negative emotions for long days. Thank you so much for giving me the wonderful opportunity to heal myself. I love you as the way you are. I accept you as the way you are. Do it and see the magic happening in your life. So, what you do today? Today, before going to bed, just do one thing. Write a letter to that particular person. Yes, I know your resistance may come and your resistance may guide you to stop, but don't stop. Not allow your resistance to rule over you because it is your resistance which will definitely try to keep you in the same frequency, same pattern जो आप इतने दिन carry कर रहे थे. So now this is the time to break that loop for your own sake, to grow in your health, in your relationships, in your career, in financial life. This is the one loop you have to break it. And don't allow your resistance to come in between. So, whenever your resistance is saying you stop, don't do that. You are making fool yourself. No. Say to your resistance, no, I will do that. Sorry बोलने से कहाँ कुछ हो जाता है? Yes, negative तो कुछ नहीं होता है. But only one thing that happens, it gives you the power because it is the power of forgiveness. So, tonight, before going to bed, write a letter to that one person. Say sorry to that person for not taking enough responsibility to heal the situation. Ask forgiveness from that person for holding on too much negativity, for carrying all the negative emotions inside you unknowingly, for not allowing those emotions to let go. And say thank you to that person for opening up your eyes by giving all the negative situations in your life, all the challenges in your life. Because that one person helped you to learn to grow. For that one person, you are here right now. You are listening to this video and you are getting enough power through this practice. So just say thank you to that person. And of course, give love. Do it. See the magic and don't forget to let me know in the comment section who was that one person you forgive and kaisa laga after writing that letter to that person. I know you will feel amazing after that. You will feel so much power of freedom because forgiveness is equal to freedom. Do that. And if you are new in my channel, just subscribe my channel. And if you find this video very, very helpful, please share it with minimum 5 of your friends and family members. And hit the bell icon to get notified for my next upcoming videos. Till then, stay happy, stay smiling, and keep forgiving. Reminding you one more time because forgiving is power. Bye bye. Love you. See you in the next video.